Alec, look at all this forest. Look at this forest. What's that? Turn that way or that way? Whoa, we're going around. That was obvious. Whoa, look at those white cars. 3 white cars? Wow, in a row. That's not crazy. Wait, what was the speed limit? I don't know. Hey, why do you keep taking the camera from me? Yeah, I'm just more exciting. Water. That was me who said that. Water, water, water. Housey, housey, housey is water, water, water. Whoa, that's a lot of water. Garbage. Look, you can see the garbage. You can see the garbage. 3, 2, 1. Garbage. You missed it. You missed it. Good job, man. Thanks. Whatever. I'm sorry. Alright. Yay. Yay, to be right here. Red light. That means go. That means go. 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 Red light means go. Doesn't the red light mean go?
Green light does in this case.
I mean stop.